Hello traders and welcome to our trade update video over here. It's Stu Nopan here, founder of Master Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are again on our Cash In 4.0 strategy. It's just a little bit under £1,000 on 6 positions over here, on 2 trades, on 3 positions on each individual trade. Okay, so simple strategy. I've explained this before on the other videos. You can go and take a look at them as well. Right, so let's take a look at this. So currently the live positions over here just a little bit under £1,000. Over here, if you look at our journal over here, LTR journal, you can also see all these are the trades since we started rolling it out in the late end of March all the way up to now, 5th of May. 84 positions that we have running. So you can see all the way over here, if you add all of that up at the moment, including wins and losses, which we call out live in our live trading room in front of the people, you can see that is 5.44% up over here. Okay, right. Now, I don't know many companies which actually do this in real time, catch it in real time, have got a quantified strategy parameters, and are able to show a cumulative track record like this. Now, this is just for this year. Our live trading room has been going on since 2012, as you can see over here. And look, month by month, we got all the results: 20.15% on 2012, 2013, 20.08. You can see, traders, most importantly, all of these are end of day trading strategies. They all placed at the end of the day while you go and do your full-time job or whatsoever. They are running passively on the background, still making money for you and still passive as well. Okay, breaking the time and money link effectively. And you can see it's going on from 2012 all the way up to now 2019 and to 2020, which is now over here 20.12% percentages is what we are showing. Even after all of this, right, that we are showing you trades in real time, that is making all this amount of cash, just this live position is just a little bit less than £1,000, 5.44% up since the end of March until now, for about 1 month or so. Even though we show you all these cumulative results as well since 2012, still people find it hard to move forward. Something blocks them. They will always give some kind of excuse still not to trade. They will give some kind of excuse to delay it a bit further. Now, why is that? You see, you may delay as however long as you want, but remember one thing, but the market will not wait for anyone. As I've mentioned in my numerous videos, if you take a look, traders, on the markets, the Dow Jones dropped from 29,580 all the way to 18,315. Now that, traders, is a 13,000 point drop. If you want to get exact on it, we can put the crosshair there and move it all the way down. That's about 11,487 points in a matter of 1 month, right? 1 month. That's how crashes are, traders. It happens in real time. 1 month, just a little bit over 1 month, 11,000, almost 12,000 points drop. Okay. Now, however, to make that climb, it takes 4 years. I've mentioned that in the previous videos too. So if you take a look at that, it takes how many years to get to that climb is what you got to ask yourself, right? And I've mentioned that in the previous videos too. So you see, traders, it takes 4 years for that climb. You can see over here, it's much more easier to see it when it's on the weekly chart. Over here, starting from here, 2016 onwards, all the way up. And then it takes just 1 month to stop, and then 1 month just to give back all those gains away. Right? Yeah, 2016, 2000, late mid-May, around there. Now, However, even seeing all of this, and we've shown all of this in different videos, and you have seen all of that, some of you have been following us for a lot of good months, knowing all of this, still, you still don't want to trade. Even though you can see this in front of you. You know, those people who are thinking of starting to trade, or even those who are trading, you still can't, like get into a real account, or, consistency, or whatever it may be. So, what is it that stops us from going to the next level? What is it that stops us to increase our passive cash flow, even though there may be a genuine, true opportunity right in front of you and being traded with full transparency? What is that? In fact, I don't need to explain that. It is very well explained in this video called Understanding the Power of Paradigms. The Power of Paradigms by Bob Proctor. Okay, you can search for that YouTube video, and in that he explains, now let me show that for you over here. He explains that a paradigm is a mental program that is fixed within you, that has got almost exclusive control over your habitual behavior. So that is why, even though there is a true, genuine opportunity right in front of you, you talk yourself out of it and you don't want to move forward. Until you find true, genuine people who really care about you and they do their best to move you forward and overcome this paradigm that is controlling you. You see, this paradigm is a mental program that's got almost exclusive control over your habitual behavior. That is why when you lose a job, you want to go back to job again. You don't want to take that risk and move away from that and to do something that will make money work for you rather than you always being a slave to money and working till you die. That is why, when I talk to you, some of you, I tell you all that Warren Buffett once said that if you do not learn a way to make money while you are sleeping, you will work till you die. And the reason is, even though you listen to all this, you still carry on with your normal behaviors because of this, because you got this paradigm that makes you stuck in the time money link. You always come up with some excuses not to do something, and you carry on away and away and away. And in here, Bob Proctor says that if you want to change this, you got to spend time and money on yourself. Time and money on yourself to keep changing yourself so that you overcome this habitual behavior. And over here, then he carries on to say that most of our behavior, and this is what I want you to see, and almost all of our behavior is habitual. Almost all of our behavior is habitual. So this thing is ruling you. So you need to overcome it, traders. The first thing to overcome your paradigm is first awareness. Get aware of it and then reflect and then get your willpower to overcome it. It's a very, very good video. Go and watch it. It's about 27 minutes. I'm sure all of you got 27 minutes. Understand the power of paradigms. Complete it and finish looking at it. And then after that, you got any questions for us, you want to carry on forward, get in contact with us. We are genuinely here to give the truth of trading, and we are passionate about it because we've got a genuine solution for you to overcome cash flow issues for once and for all. Okay, this strategy, this cash in CI 4.0 strategy, continuously is working. All our live trading room members will be a testament to that, and you can see it continuously keeps working week after week, month after month, and that's why we're able to keep producing these returns. 5.44% per month. Now that, over, even if 1% being £1,000, that's £5,440. And you can do that as you build your confidence. You can't do it overnight, but as you build your confidence. But the first step is overcome your paradigm. And your paradigm is a mental program that's got almost exclusive control over your habitual behavior. And almost all behavior is habitual. Get aware, overcome it, move forward, and we're here to help you. Traders, till the next time, as we always say, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.